Hello everyone and welcome to my today's seminar on how to convert text between different cases. We know already like there are lowercase, uppercase, sentence case, and capitalized case. Um, and where we need to use what and when, that is something very important that we're going to learn today, beside how to convert that different cases in both Word document and in Excel document. So bear with me until we close our journey. So let's dive in. When to use lowercase? Any idea? Yes, that's the regular case, kind of regular kind of communication or idea or kind of message that you want to convey. Uh, then you use the lower case. Of course, the first letter would be a capital letter, though. Otherwise, we should not use like the lowercase all the time. Yeah. Another thing is like if we go with the casual conversations and emails, then we also use lowercase instead of like the uppercase. Many people they start with that, but this is not what we should do. And coding variables in Python, when you try to um, put some sort of variables into that. You use always the lowercase, yeah? So that you just need to remember. And that also helps, like when you really want to make a file in Word or Excel, you want to convert that according to Python convention, then you can do that easily, changing the cases. Now, how we can do that? Let's check on our Word document how we can change our kind of any kind of examples to the lowercase. So, for example, file underscore name, we see like this is not in the right shape. So we know like it will be lowercase. So we can choose that and select it from here. And then you see just under the reference in Macintosh, you'll find that lowercase options. So click over there and you are good to go. Now we will start with the uppercase. So when we should use the uppercase and how? When we are really trying to put some emphasis on any sort of phrases or words or sentences, there we can use uppercase. And sometimes formal documents, it requires to be uppercased. Beside that, acronyms, initials, proper nouns, those actually deserve to be uppercase. And if you do not do that, then that's not right. Yeah. So please remember that things. Coding constants. Sometimes coding constants come with uppercases. And most importantly, I find it's always on my mm, anywhere I go, I check, I find like any warnings why it is with uppercase. And then that's actually the convention. So when you see with the uppercase, because that's a very much drawing your focus or attention, that's why it need to be uppercase. Yeah. So stop, high voltage, eyes. So these sort of things actually need your attention. That's why uppercase is a right choice for you. If there is stop advertise and you don't know how to where to do what, yeah, then you just choose this, copy paste that, select it, and the same small and capital A change case, and since it's gonna be uppercase, so choose that one, then you are good to go. Now we are diving into the sentence case that we see very Much every day, very much every day. And how we can do that, that we'll be learning now. So most of the cases, all sort of regular communication that we started even with the lowercase example, and there was also regular. So which means like any sort of regular things start with the sentence case means the first word starts with capital letter. Yeah. For news articles, editorial writing, there you also find that it starts with the capital letter. Whatever is sentence or phrases starts with that. UI and the user experience kind of thing, web design kind of thing. So you see all the options there, pop-ups kind of thing. So it start with that sentence case. So sentence case is nothing but a sentence that starts with capital letter. Okay, so how we can do that on Word? Let's try that out. So if you see how far we should go, the life ahead is full of surprises. Yeah, you see, there are two sentences, and it could be 200, it can be 2000. So if you are not really sure about, and you need to work on that to change it in a right order or right later. So then just what you need to do, just select that and go to the case chains and just do sentence case and you see your sentence are really not good. Now, we are moving into another very important thing is capital case. And sometimes it's also called by title case. So don't be confused. These are the same thing, title case. So whenever you want to write your abstract title or book title, you actually follow this capitalized case convention where every word comes with that kind of capital letter. Yeah, except that preposition and article in the middle. So headings and subheadings in documents presentation, that is also following that kind of capitalized case example. Now, job titles. This is something really very much also new to me. Like if you really want to write down chief financial officer, chief executive officer, Sarah Johnson, Brandt, Anthony. So whatever, you can write the capitalized case for every single kind of phrase of it. Movie song, TV shows, title, always with that kind of capitalized case. If you name the movie Game of Thrones, Bohemian Rhapsody, yeah, whatever you name, you just see and you'll find that that comes with capitalized case. Legal and government documents, terms and conditions apply. You see all these kind of different words comes with that capitalized case or title case. And any special occasion or event names comes with that capitalized case. So how we can do it on Word would be a good to practice with. Yeah, just copy and paste it over here and then select it and choose the capitalize is each word. Yeah, and then you are good to go. So that's, you see, it's very easy. You knew that things, but I'm just reminding you again so that you don't forget. And you know it is very easy and you should do it before submitting any sort of documents. Yeah. Now, since you were very kind to listen to me carefully, I thought I should give one bonus case, that is Toggle case. And this is nothing but a very funny way of communicating and using that. What it does, it changes the letter or uppercase, lowercase into opposite one. So if there is lowercase, a small letter, it converts into capital letter. If there is capital letter, it converts into small letter. So that's how it actually draws attention, and many people use that in informal conversation in cartoons. to draw some attention. Otherwise, using this toggle will make you confused. And I found myself, I don't understand. It seems to me a very new language. So toggle is a very funny thing that you can also try with that things in that kind of non-formal communication and funny conversation. For example, if you are really want to give a try with that a capitalized case one into toggle, you see like what you can do, just paste it and then you just choose that toggle case and you see this is really funny. Captain America, it is I dog man it seems like what is going on here. So that's funny thing can be done with the toggle. Now I will take you to the Excel how to do these things in Excel. Yeah, so let's see over here. If you really want to do that file name, like this is need to be done in lowercase, press equal sign and choose the lower function over there and then choose the file name and then close the parenthesis. Boom. So it's file underscore name. Yeah, and if you want to convert it to the uppercase to something like that you want to, you just write the function upper and then choose that cell and then boom. And what about the capitalized case? Capitalized case, you don't have the capital function, but if you know, like this is a kind of a proper noun kind of thing. So every single word, it actually starts with the capital letter in capitalized case. So we will use the function proper here. You see here proper, and then you choose that, and you see this is Captain America Dogman Forrest Gump as it should be. And for the sentence case, unfortunately, there is no such a function that can um, convert it into sentence case in Excel. Probably when it is built, it didn't actually aim to change this kind of sentences in Excel, rather than you can do it very much in a nicer way on Word documents. So why then we need to use that? So thank you very much for listening, and we will be again here on some other light but very interesting learning skill next time. Have a good day. Bye for now.